All right, what's going on, guys? So today we are taking a look at the UAG civilian case for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. So as you can see, we've got like the olive color here. So on the box, we've got drop tested and approved. Take a look at the back really quick here. See if they got any specs here. So impact resistant, feather light. You got the hinge protection and traction grip. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. So as you can see, you do have some adhesive strips here and then also already installed inside the case. So you can definitely use those to make sure you get the best fit and the most secure fit. So really quick, just taking a look at the inside of the case. It's got almost like a velvet material here on the main portion of the case, which is definitely really nice. So that is what your phone is going to be coming in contact with. And then I love the kind of olive green and black color scheme going on here. I think that looks really, really nice. So that should definitely look nice with our black Fold 4 as well. So let's go ahead and get this case installed here really quick. But first, let me go ahead and remove these adhesive strips. So now we should be able to get this installed on our phone. So pretty much we're just going to get it lined up here and pop it right onto place. Very, very easy. And you can see that it does kind of move from left to right. So you can see that it's not lined up here. So what you want to do is just kind of push it over until it's lined up. And thanks to that hinge protection that kind of moves back and forth, that is what allows you to do that. So while we're looking at the phone, man, I think this looks really, really nice. That black and olive green color scheme there definitely complements each other really, really well. You got the UAG branding right there engraved in the center of the case. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the camera protection as well. Nice deep lip for your camera protection. So definitely some really, really good protection going on there. And then let's go ahead and close the case. And that's how it's going to look when you have the phone collapsed. So I definitely like the look. Let's take a look on the side. You have your power button and your fingerprint sensor accessible right there. So it's a little bit almost hidden since you have the volume rocker covered there. It's like a really small gap where you have to kind of line your thumb up perfectly in order to kind of unlock the phone using the fingerprint sensor. So that might be kind of the one thing that I'm not necessarily a fan of. Now, if the phone is open, it's not so much of an issue, but if you do have it collapsed, I can see it, posing a challenge for some people. So that might be one drawback to this case. And then, like I said, you do have the volume rocker completely covered there, but still very easy to press, as you can see on the bottom. Cutouts for your speaker as well as your charging port. And then we have the hinge protection. It's got kind of like a leather material going on there, which definitely feels really, really nice. And definitely like the fact that you have that hinge protection. If you're going to invest in a phone like this, you definitely want to protect as many portions of it as you can. So let's take a look at the screen. You can see a nice aggressive raised lip going around the screen, which is going to give you that protection if you do decide, to set the phone down on a surface or something like that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the full screen. And pretty much the same thing on the full screen. You have a nice raised edge all the way around. Not quite as deep of an edge as you do on the smaller screen. So if we just go back to that really quick, you can see it is noticeably deeper for this display. So that is something to keep in mind. But nonetheless, I do think this is going to do a great job at protecting your phone. And I think it doesn't add a ton of size and bulk to the phone at the same time. So I do like that as well. And overall, the appearance, the feel of the case definitely feels, very premium, very durable. And I think it will provide a great level of protection for your Fold 4. So that's pretty much going to cover it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful. Consider subscribing to the channel. and give us a thumbs up as well if you liked the video. And we'll see you guys in the next one.